Hello and good morning. Today let us look at delayed marriage chart male. The average age of marriage in India for males is between 26 and 29 years. The houses that are concerned for marriage timings are ascendant lord, 7th house lord, Venus and moon in the rashi chart. In the Navamsha chart, Navamsha lagna and 7th from the Navamsha lagna, position of Venus and moon. Each negativity in the chart with the houses mentioned or the lords mentioned will add 2 years to the 26 years. For each benefic influence, reduce 2 years from the total negative years. In this male chart, born on 14th December 1985, 17 hours 38 minutes, Mumbai, India. Taurus ascendant is aspected by Mercury, Saturn, Venus and Sun. Malefic aspects add 2 years. 7th house, Mercury, Saturn, Venus and Sun are posted. Malefics in the 7th house add 2 years. Venus is with malefic Saturn and Sun, therefore we add 2 years. 7th lord Mars is in Rahu Ketu axis, add 2 years. Moon is conjoined with Jupiter and aspected by Saturn, add 2 years. Navamsha lagna in Rahu Ketu axis, add 2 years. The total years is 12. Now let us see if there are benefic influences. Jupiter, though Necha, will always remain a natural benefic. There may be problems in the other parameters, but as far as marriage timing is concerned, Jupiter will not create problems. Jupiter with moon reduce 2 years. Jupiter aspects Taurus reduce 2 years. Therefore, the net delay in marriage timing is 8 years, approximately 34th year. Now the Vimshottari Dasha. Vimshottari Dasha at the time of marriage was Rahu Dasha, Venus Bukthi. Rahu is a natural marriage giver and is conjoined with the 7th lord Mars and is posted in the Navamsha lagna. Venus is the Karaka for marriage and is posted in the 7th house. Therefore, the Vimshottari Dasha was positive. Transits during the same period, Jupiter was in Virgo and aspected ascendant Taurus. Saturn was in Scorpio and aspected ascendant Taurus, fulfilling the double transit. And the native got married in his 33rd year. Hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.